Hi, Precalculus. This is question number 5 of chapter 4 review. Find the equation of the parabola that has a focus of 5, 1 and a directrix of y equals 7. I'm going to start by actually graphing this one, right? So we want to make sure we can see what it looks like. So the directrix is y equals 7. So we already know that it's going to be a up-down parabola, and especially if we know that 5, 1 is our focus, then we know it's going to be downward opening. Now let's see what we can, and if that's the focus, remember a parabola is a set of points equidistant from a focus and a directrix, a given line, a directrix, which means that this point has to be equidistant from both. So the vertex of the parabola actually has to be the midpoint of both. So we can very quickly come up with the equation of the vertex as 5, 4. You could just average 7 and 1 too, but you should come out to this. Now the p-value we already know is 3 units. And so if we double that, we should have these 2 points on the lattice rectum here. And that would be 6, 1. I'm sorry, not 6. 6 plus 5 should be 11, 1. And negative 1, 1. And then we can just connect it. Oof. Now we haven't done any of the work of coming up with the equation yet, but we have a really good idea of what this is going to look like. I know my p-value is going to be, actually I should put a negative 3 here. Alright, so general form of this type of parabola is going to be y minus k equals ax minus h quantity squared. To fill in some parts, then y minus 4 should equal, the a is going to be 1 over 4 times the p-value, right? Because again, 4ap equals 1. So if I want to find a, I can write that as 1 over 4 times p. In this case, I know p is negative. Sorry, confused here. And x minus 5 quantity squared. So my final equation could be 1 over negative 12 x minus 5 quantity squared. Again, we're going to quickly check it. We could check it on our calculators, but I have Desmos open from some of the previous problems, and we're just going to use that for right now. Y minus 4 equals negative 1/12 x minus 5 quantity squared. Let's zoom out just a little bit. In the problem, it was given that the directrix was y equals 7, and 5, negative 1 was just a point. Oh, sorry, 5, 1 was a point. That was our focus. I'm going to draw the line y equals 1 as well, and let's confirm that these points are our lattice rectum, right? They're double the distance of p on either direction. Seems like that's all we were. That's fine. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Oops.